200 meters. At the roundabout, take the third exit onto Mega. You have been there before.
It's here.
You can check in, thank you.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna check in.
$20 a day. Oh, put up the fence. Can you take the stuff inside?
Where's Mia? Hello, Mia.
Hello there.
Done, darling. Where's Mia? Mia. Mia. Ah, hello. Hello, how are you? Oh, where's the bat? Can you show mommy? Bat. Oh. What are they doing?
I dropped my puppy.
Where's my jacket? Okay, look up. Can you close the door?
Kid.
You got pocket. I got pocket too. Mia, did you have pocket? Mia, where's your pocket? You don't have one. You don't have pocket? Are you cold? Oh, cold. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's so dark now. Hello, Mia. It's dark? Is it dark? It's night time. Everywhere is very dark. I think we should start earlier because now it's too dark. Now everywhere is dark. Yeah, we did not cook dinner yet. What's the time?
Nancy.
Yes. Emma. Emma is not very happy because she's cold and tired.
Fall off. Don't move too much.
It's so sticky. Yeah, Mia can't have it because Mia's a baby, can't have it. You cold? Careful, darling. Don't hurt yourself. Oh, darling.
Good?
Is it good? Every time when I go away and then she will say, Mommy, Mommy, Mommy.
Where's the frying? You're right-handed, aren't you?
This is a 46 and 45, and that one is good too. We saw a kangaroo here, and a baby kangaroo too. Did it? Two kangaroo. Two kangaroo. I think they're gone then. Oh, it's over there. Have a look.
Have to walk very slowly. No, Elsa, very
Yeah.
slowly.
Elsa, why you take so many rocks? What you want?
What?
Yeah, what you want?
What?
You want to cook dinner? Where's Daddy? Daddy, it's over there. Oh, they go too far. Wait. No, you can't play water then. You can chalk there. Yeah. Whoa. What did that? Okay, let's go. I guess the toilet is quite clean here. And I can have a shower here, just need one door. Start the fire very quick today. Ever. We got other things.
I tried passing the gas.
Thank you.
Where are we going? Say hi. Hello, darling. Hello. Hello.
How about this?
Oh yeah, you can do that one too.
Look, it's your buddy.
Mia, don't touch. Okay, Mia, we're gonna go, Mia. Mia, we're gonna go, Mia.
No,
Why? We're gonna have some milk. Do you want milk?
no.
You don't want milk? Why?
Emma,
Emma want milk?
Emma.
Emma, you wanna hold Mimi's hand?
Look at a baby. Look, baby.
Baby.
You're so
You're both a baby.
baby. Let's go. Let's go down there.
Okay. I'll take us some photos.
I need
What
to.
the? Where are we gonna get? Mia, don't go, Mia. Mia, don't go, Mia. Na 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 na.